Across California, districts are expanding after school and summer programs through ELO P. This funding is designed for TK through 6th grade students and requires structured in-person programming beyond the school day, expanded learning time across the year and summer. Which raises a real question. How do you make that time actually matter? After-school and summer programs often struggle with inconsistent attendance, uneven engagement, and activities that don't translate to academic progress. Time gets filled, but it doesn't always move learning forward. ELO P funding isn't just about more time. Programs are expected to provide structured, in-person learning opportunities beyond the school day, not just optional activities. It's a chance to use that time intentionally to gain real, measurable outcome. And that's where high-impact tutoring fits in. After-school programs only work when students show up and stay engaged. That's why program design matters. Not optional participation, not drop-in support, but structured, reliable instruction students can stick with. Across California, districts are already moving in this direction. Districts across the state already use Grow high-impact tutoring to bring accelerated growth and close learning gaps both in and out of school hours using ELO P and/or district funds. California districts choose Paper for high-impact tutoring because, unlike other providers, we offer an on-site rollout, consistent tutors working with the same students, and a custom-made program based on your very own curriculum. Grow by Paper also holds ESSA Level 3 evidence and validation from Stanford's National Student Support Accelerator for program design excellence. If you're planning how to use ELO P funding, we can help you think through program design, structure, and next steps. You can meet one-on-one with a California ELO P specialist to walk through it. You'll meet with Kenny Lee if your district is in Central or Northern California, or Sarah Kennedy if your district is in Southern California. Schedule a call with Paper for personalized ELO P support and download the High Impact Tutoring Funding Application Guide to get application support from the experts in high impact tutoring.